In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the DocuSign error that says template is not locked. This is a common issue that can prevent you from sending envelopes or using a template properly, especially if you're working in a team environment. The good news is that this error is usually very easy to fix once you know where to look. I'll walk you step by step through locking the template, checking permissions, and refreshing your session so you can get back to sending documents without any problems. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. The first and most important step is to lock the template. Log into your DocuSign account and go to the Template section from the top navigation menu. Find the template that's causing the error and click on it to open the Template Details page. Once you're inside the template editor, look for the option that says Actions or More, depending on your interface version. In the drop-down menu, you should see an option related to locking the template. If the template is currently unlocked, that's likely the reason you're seeing the error. Click on Lock Template to secure it. Locking the template ensures that the structure, roles, and fields cannot be modified unintentionally. After you lock it, save your changes. Now try using the template again to create a new envelope. In many cases, simply locking the template resolves the template is not locked error immediately. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to check the template permissions. Sometimes the issue isn't whether the template is locked, but whether you have the correct access level. Go back to the Template section and select the template again. This time, look for a Permissions or Sharing option. Click on it to review who has access to the template and what level of control they have. Make sure that you have permission to use and manage the template. If you're part of a team or organization, it's possible that only the template owner or an administrator can lock or edit it. If that's the case, you may need to contact your DocuSign admin and ask them to either lock the template properly or grant you the appropriate permissions. Also confirm that the template is shared with the correct group if you're working within a shared workspace. Once permissions are corrected, save any updates and test the template again by creating a new envelope. If the template is locked and permissions are correct but the error still appears, the final step is to log out and log back into your DocuSign account. Sometimes this error can be caused by a temporary session glitch or a caching issue in your browser. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Log Out. After logging out, close your browser completely. Then reopen it, go back to DocuSign, and sign in again. Once you're logged back in, navigate to Templates and try using the template one more time. This refreshes your session and forces DocuSign to reload the latest template settings from the server. In many cases, this simple step clears the error instantly. So to quickly recap, first, lock the template from the template settings. Second, check and confirm your template permissions. And third, log out and log back in to refresh your session. One of these steps will almost always fix the DocuSign template is not locked error. If this video helped you solve the issue, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow DocuSign and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.